Happy New Year and Happy Chinese New Year for the Lunar New Year. I am excited to share a new book project. So, look, who am I? I know, I kind of skipped that part. I'm Miss Curia. Call me Miss K. And I am the founder, chief, bottle, brush, cook, thing, whatever that phrase is. I do it all here at the House of Education. And I also host book clubs, book stuff, yes, on the treasure chest, because every book is a gem in the treasure chest. So this year, we're going to track how many books we read, and we're going to try and build the biggest tower we can. Now, for those of you not so crafty, I have a paper version, so it'll only be a tower. Well, I guess you could arrange the papers into a design that would make a castle if you wanted to, or whatever building structure you would like. But I did design that one more like a chart, like a height chart. So let's check it out. The first one is the craft. This is the one I'm super into, of course, because you're going to make a mock book. Yes, a little mini book. And you're going to put your review of the book on there. And of course, you're going to draw your own idea of what should be the cover of the book and write the title. And then you're going to stack them up, and you're going to stack and stack and stack and stack every time you read a book. Picture books count. So read some picture books because they're just as good as chapter books, sometimes even better. I don't know. I love picture books. I love chapter books. I just love books. But here's my first one. Kind of hard to see with the light because it's a light color, but it is Humphrey's Creepy Crawly Camping Adventure. Yeah, and on the back, I've got my review. And let's see, that's about it there. You can do all kinds of things with it. So you get one of these. Now, this one does not have the number on it, so you can put your own number, but you can print numbered ones as well. And then you're going to assemble them and make your books. And you stack it up and up and up and up. Now, if you're not so crafty, you can still do the side, the spine of the book. Okay? So you can put the title of the book on the spine and color that and cut that out. Now, again, I have them numbered, and there is a blank one as well. And then you'll take and add them to your wall chart. And they're going to stagger and make this big tower. And you get to add another page right here. And if you want, you can add another page. And of course, when you get to the end of the year, there you go, right there. You could do a set for each month and then have 12 towers. Oh, that'd be so cool. Whatever you want. This is going to be exciting. And I can't wait for you to post photos or videos of your towers as they grow, because they're going to be so awesome. My favorite is this, because I think probably could play some kind of game with these too, like a balancing game. It'd be so fun. But I love thinking about it in the realm of Legos and building a tower behind me. That's where mine's going to go. It's back here somewhere, and I make some room somehow. But stay tuned. In another video, I'm going to show you how to make them.